Hey, Mimi. So I Knew You Were Trouble, the Taylor Swift song. Very simple chord progression: G, D, E minor, and C. And it's the dance hall reggae beat. Take your acoustic guitar and just practice tapping it. Just go on. It's like long, long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short. So initially, don't worry about the muted strings. Just go long. If I get your beat here, it's like long, long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, long, long. Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I want you to tell. You get that, but as you pointed out, as you could just sort of tell, it's really nothing without that stop. Which leads me to believe that maybe I should give you some different voicings, like It's kind of more fun too. Let's do it that way, dude. You take the F shape and it becomes movable, okay? So you're going to start with it here. It makes a G chord, in fact. It's 5, 4, and 3. And the advantage here is you can dry it up by just relaxing your fingertips but staying in contact with the strings. That's called a left hand mute. So my right hand doesn't have to cover the strings at all. I just have to relax these fingers and not lose touch with the strings. So it's G to D, same shape, 12, 11, 10. Then E minor becomes this A minor shape, so it's 9, 9, 7. Same exact shape as your open A minor. And then C is back to the F shape, 10, 9, 8. So again, it's G, 5, 4, 3, D, 12, 11, 10. E is the anomaly, E minor's 9, 9, 8, just like an A minor. And then C is back to the original shape, 10, 9, 8. So now it's very easy to go. Not very easy because it moves quickly still, but it's easier to get that mute. I'll slow down. Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I let you decide you were me alone. Find me, find me, find me. So try that, and then when you're working on No Rain, just work on your hammer-ons. Make sure you're coming down swiftly with power with that ring finger, and you're really committing to the note. And then here, same kind of thing. Really get precision with that second finger, and just spend a lot of time doing that. And then go. And then you can cut out that one weird note I gave you and just go like this. The key here is to practice this independently. Make sure it's very clean. Then practice landing the next note without any hesitation, like this. And then practice connecting this without hesitation to the last note. And put it together like this. So it's